This is a beautiful 1940 Ford convertible. Nice shade of blue. The venerable flathead V8, and there's been some custom work done. It has Offenhauser heads, triple carburation. I do believe it has modern air conditioning added. Notice the stylized headlamps. Looks like an alternator there. White top. Now I have a look at that beautiful upholstery. Gear shift on the floor, and that's a modern steering column. Cars at this point were getting their gear shifts on the steering column. Running board still very much in evidence. Hubcaps with wheel trim rings. Chevron tail lamps. The spare would have been stowed under the floor there of the trunk. And notice how the trunk lid is held up. And those arms with spring involved. There you see a vent for the AC. A nice dash. Happens to be for sale too, believe it or not. There is the telephone number. Can't imagine how much money went into developing this car in the state that it's in now. Lots of chrome.